Ana Teresia Risa Navarro Hontiveros Barakwell, born February 24, 1966, is a Filipino politician who has served as a senator of the Philippines since 2016, a member of the progressive Akbayan party. She previously served as its party list representative from 2004 to 2010. Born to a prominent family in the Philippines, Hontiveros studied social sciences at the Ateneo de Manila University. Graduating in 1987, she worked as a journalist for IBC and GMA Network and became involved in the formation of Akbayan in 1998. After being elected to the House of Representatives in 2004, she emerged as a major opposition figure to the administration of Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. During her tenure as a representative, she advocated for the passage of the SOGIE Equality Bill and the Reproductive Health Law. Hontiveros ran for the Senate twice in 2010 and 2013 before being elected in 2016, becoming the nation's first socialist woman senator. As a senator, she authored and led the passage of the Mental Health Act and the Safe Streets and Public Spaces Act. During her first term, she was a vocal critic of the administration of Rodrigo Duterte and condemned his controversial war on drugs. At the same time, she became a target of misinformation surrounding her tenure as a PhilHealth trustee, which was later debunked by fact-checkers. Hontiveros was re-elected in 2022, becoming the only opposition senator to retain her seat. Following the end of Leni Robredo's tenure as vice president that year, Robredo and other opposition figures recognized Hontiveros as their new leader as she became the highest-ranking elected official from the opposition. In 2025, she managed the successful senatorial bids of Bam Aquino and Kiko Pangilinan, expanding the opposition bloc in the Senate. She was Deputy Majority Leader under then Senate President Tito Sotto and has led the Senate Committees on Health, Economic Affairs, and Women under incumbent Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. Ana Teresia Navarro Hontiveros was born on February 24, 1966, in Manila to a Panay Visayan lawyer and a Cavite Mindanao Tagalog executive secretary. Raised in Merville, Parañaque, she grew up in a household that encouraged outspoken yet respectful dialogue. Hontiveros belongs to prominent Filipino families. Her paternal lineage includes Jose Hontiveros, a former senator and associate justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, while her aunts and uncles include national artists Daisy Hontiveros Avellana and Lamberto V. Avellana, Jesuit priest and liturgical music pioneer Eduardo Hontiveros, and Philippine Animal Welfare Society PAWS founder Nita Hontiveros Licaco. Her siblings include journalists Pia Hontiveros and sustainability executive Ginge Hontiveros Malvar, while her extended family includes notable figures such as singer Leah Navarro, Cebu City Vice Mayor Dondon Hontiveros, and musician Barbie Almalbis. She attended St. Scholastica's College, where she joined the Glee Club and participated in musical theater, including Repertory Philippines' The Sound of Music. Encouraged by her mother, she became socially aware at a young age, participating in the 1978 Noise Barrage for Democracy when she was 12 years old, and attending a Nuclear-Free Philippines Coalition symposium during her high school sophomore year, where she organized a campaign against the Bataan nuclear power plant. In college at the Ateneo de Manila University, Hontiveros became active in the student council, advocating for peace and justice for marginalized communities, and also becoming one of 5 Filipino students who were accepted for the 12th JAL scholarship program at the Sophia University in Japan. While studying at Ateneo, she worked as a journalist and became pen pals with Philippine Military Academy cadet Francisco Baracuel Jr., who later became her husband. Hontiveros graduated cum laude with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Social Sciences in 1987. After graduation, Hontiveros pursued careers in journalism and teaching. She worked for networks IBC and GMA Network, co-anchoring programs like Firing Line and Headline Trees, where she was awarded the 1994 Kapisanan NGMga Broadcaster NG Pilipinas Golden Dove Awards for Best Female Newscaster. In the mid-90s, she helped form the progressive political party Akbayan and was asked to represent it in Congress, but she begged off the proposals twice due to family reasons. Hontiveros also served as Secretary General of the Coalition for Peace, advocating for peace zones and leading discussions on socio-economic reforms in peace talks with the National Democratic Front. For her work, she received the 10 Outstanding Young Men Toim Award for Peace and Advocacy in 2001 and was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 2005 before the 2004 elections. Her peers again convinced Hontiveros to represent Akbayan, which she accepted. Personal life. Hontiveros married Francisco Baracuel Jr., a captain in the Philippine Constabulary, military officer, and former editor-in-chief of the Corp at the Philippine Military Academy. Their relationship began through letters after Baracuel read Hontiveros' essay in her St. Scholastica yearbook. They became pen pals while Hontiveros was a working student at the Ateneo de Manila University and an activist, and Baracuel was a cadet at the Philippine Military Academy. They married in 1990 and had 4 children. Francisco died in 2005 of a heart attack caused by severe asthma, leaving Hontiveros to raise their children as a single parent. Hontiveros, a licensed scuba diver and former teacher at Ateneo, is also an animal welfare advocate. She has adopted multiple stray dogs and cats, including an aspen from the Philippine Animal Welfare Society, the organization founded by her aunt, Nita Hontiveros Licaco. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.